2nd January 2024. Japan Airlines Flight 516 took off from Sapporo's new Chitose Airport in Hokkaido Prefecture at 16 local time and was scheduled to land at Haneda at 1740 with approximately 400 passengers and crew on board. The Airbus A350-900 aircraft burst into flames on landing at Tokyo's Haneda Airport on Tuesday after it collided with an aircraft involved in earthquake relief efforts. All crew members and passengers, including 8 children under the age of 2 on board JAL Flight 516, were safely evacuated from the passenger plane, according to the airline, but local fire services confirmed that 17 people on board the Japan Airlines plane were injured. 5 crew members died on the second aircraft, thought to be a de Havilland Canada DHC-8, operated by the Japan Coast Guard, JCG. It said the plane's captain was in a critical condition. More than 100 fire trucks were dispatched in response to the accident. The Coast Guard said the collision involved one of its planes that was headed to Niigata Airport on Japan's west coast to deliver aid to those caught up in a powerful earthquake that struck on New Year's Day, killing at least 48 people.